Yes, today we are going to do the load flow analysis and fault analysis on the ETAP. And for that also we have to firstly draw the single line diagram and then do the load flow analysis on it. And we have to create some fault and then do the fault analysis on it. ठीक है, ये दो टॉपिक्स हम आज कवर करेंगे. तो let's start with the new file. Now for the load flow analysis. Okay, and this window opens on your ETAP and just maximize it. And this is the edit project file जिसके ऊपर हमने ड्रॉ करनी है, that is the single line diagram. तो इस केस में जैसे in the last video, last lecture, हमने बहुत ही डिटेल में वो सिंगल लाइन डायग्राम ड्रॉ की थी. अभी जस्ट छोटी सी डायग्राम एक ड्रॉ करेंगे एंड देन डू द लोड फ्लो एनालिसिस ऑन इट. And I'm again repeating here on this right side, there are three set of symbols. One is for the AC symbol, another is the DC symbols, and another is the measurement and protective symbols. Okay, तो जिसके ऊपर भी कर्सर लेके जाओगे the name appears. तो उस सिंबल का नाम पता लग जाता है and you can drag it and put it on the main screen. Now let's start with the firstly the single line diagram, and now we are going to draw the single line diagram so as कि we have to do the load flow analysis on it. तो उसके according ही हम diagram draw करेंगे कि जैसे we need one generator and that generator must be a swing बस. ठीक है, क्योंकि पूरे में एक swing बस जरूर होनी चाहिए. ठीक है, but here हम एक ही लेके चलेंगे, then अगर दो तीन सेट्स भी लगाने हैं, just we copy and paste to that. Okay, so let's start with the firstly the generator. Let's see here, I am putting the cursor on the generator, the name appears, generator. Just drag it on the main screen and place it, and let me on the grid first. Yes, so that my all symbols be on the single straight line. So I am switch on the grid option, and next I am going to have the cable. Put here the cable, then there is the another bus, and then again I am going to place the two winding transformer. एंड वन थिंग मोर कि जैसे मैं इस बस को डिलीट कर देती हूँ ना, आई एम डायरेक्टली कनेक्टिंग दिस केबल विद द ट्रांसफॉर्मर, तो यहाँ पे ऑटोमेटिकली बस इज क्रिएटेड. यहाँ पे ऑटोमेटिकली ये देखो बस क्रिएट हो गई है. ठीक है, दिस वन. एंड व्हेन यू राइट क्लिक इट, ये नोड की फॉर्म में है दिस बस. जस्ट इसको नोड को हम टिक जो आया हुआ था उसको हटा देंगे तो इट कम्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ बस. कि जैसे हम यहाँ से ड्रैग करते हैं तो जरूरी नहीं है कि हर बार तुम ड्रैग करोगे, कि बिकॉज द टू जो भी सिंबल्स हैं दे आर कनेक्टेड थ्रू द बस, तो बस ऑटोमेटिकली भी आ जाती है बीच में. So let's connect this generator with this bus and this cable with this bus. And similarly, after this transformer, we again need one bus. Let's directly draw the cable and connect it with this, and there is automatically comes the bus. Like this. Okay, and just right click on it, this bus number 4, and ये जो टिक लगा हुआ है नोड को, इसको अनटिक कर देंगे and it comes in this form now. This way. Yes, and now again I'm going to connect here the another bus. So the bus number 5, actually यहाँ पे bus number 1, 3, 4 and 5, where is 2, क्योंकि हमने 2 लगा के और delete कर दी थी, so that's why that number 2 is missing. Okay, and next just connect this to the bus, and at the last we are going to connect the motor, that is the induction machine. So this one. Okay, and do connect it. So just इतना ही draw करेंगे. So this one is our single line diagram, and now we have to go put down the ratings. इसके ऊपर पहले ratings करेंगे, then we apply the load flow analysis on it. So for the rating, as we have done in the last lecture, just click that device, double click it, and this window appears, and come on the rating side. Here it is rating. Just assign the values. I'm put here 1 megawatt, and let the kilovolt is 0.4, और जो बाकी की ratings है that comes automatically. Okay, let's do the grounding, that is the symbols, that the symbol appears along with it. Just press OK. And one thing more, just right click it. We have to change on the info, this info side, we have to change this generator to the swing generator. ठीक है, otherwise when we have to apply the load flow analysis, so there comes error कि there is no swing bus in it. So जो पहला एक जनरेटर है, अगर एक ही है तो उसको हमें swing करना पड़ेगा. So apply the swing generator here. Swing, and ये rating is okay. Yes. And one thing more, see here the question mark, this red question mark. अगर कई बार कुछ नहीं पता लगता है कि what to do here, so just press this and it opens the help window about the ETAP or that particular screen. जो भी तुम्हारी स्क्रीन के ऊपर है उसके रिगार्डिंग तुम्हारी हेल्प विंडो खुल जाएगी, and it gives you all the information. ठीक है, there is each and every information is there, like megawatt, enter the rated real power of the synchronous generator, or kilovolts, or power factor, like this. So every information regarding that screen be there with you. Okay, so this comes with this question mark. ये जो red question mark लगा है इससे आया है हमारे. Just press it OK. Now this is our first generator of 1 megawatt with the swing connection. Swing means it has voltage and voltage angle. Okay, next the bus automatically rated with 0.4 kV. Okay, and then comes to this cable. Just double click this cable, and on the just info page, I am changing here the number of conductors to 2 conductors. I'm changing the length, because you have to mention the length of the cable, because now we want to create the somewhat actual system. Let give me the length 20, and in the meters. Okay, just go to the library, and this one is the bus 1 to bus 3 cable is there. In out as built services library, this one is okay. ओके, तो ये ऊपर इंफॉर्मेशन आ रही है तुम्हारे पास, तो यहाँ पे तुम अपना साइज चेंज कर. दिस वन इज एल्यूमिनियम केबल, तो यहाँ से तुम अपना साइज चेंज कर सकते हो. तो लेट्स हैव समवट डिफरेंट, और कुछ भी, एनीथिंग. ठीक है, दिस इज द कॉन्फ़िगरेशन रिगार्डिंग द केबल. ठीक है, दिस इज द मेन, द डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस आर देयर. टाइप एल्यूमिनियम, पीवीसी. कंडक्टर्स हमने 2 लिए हैं. Size, you can change the size. Let me change it to 10. Okay, then this is the impedance rating. This is automatically filled. ठीक है, बाकी जो भी है हम ज़्यादा चेंजेस नहीं करेंगे इसमें, that is already filled, तो वही रहने देंगे. These are the physical parameters. बट ये है कि जो भी कर रहे हो तो एक बार उसकी सारी जो डिटेल्स है खोल के ज़रूर देखो कि व्हाट इज़ देयर इन द डिफरेंट कॉलम्स, चाहे उसको चेंज करना है चाहे नहीं करना है और रिमेन इट एज इट इज़, बट जस्ट ओपन इट एंड सी व्हाट्स देयर, कौन कौन सी रेटिंग्स केबल्स के रिलेटेड अवेलेबल है हमारे पास। लाइक शीट, ये जैसे तुम लोगों ने पढ़ा था अपना पावर सिस्टम में, पावर सिस्टम 1 में करते हो आई थिंक सो, sheath is there, shielded, not shielded, about the cable, which type of insulation, dia and all that. ठीक है, just open each and every step and then you're going to press here okay. So this is our cable and next come to this transformer. Just double click on the transformer, go to the ratings, and here the primary is 0.4 because we have assigned the 0.4 to the generator, so that will act as the primary. And let's set the secondary to anything 3 and rated, or change it to kVA. I have changed it to the kVA. Just click on it and it changes to the kVA, 625 kVA. So accordingly the rest of the ratings will appear. Okay, and see this impedance. So there are the different symbols. Typical जो में मतलब standard है तो that will appear on it. And one thing more, just let me press it OK and change this to the IEC. Yes, I'm going to change this IEC because ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे accordingly the typical values appear, this reactance ratio appears upon it. Okay, here also I am assigning the typical values. For the positive sequence and for the zero sequence impedance values are there. Okay, and or you can take the help by pressing this question mark. Just go to the grounding symbols, just assigning the star connections, star and star. Now press here OK. So this one is the transformer T1 of 625 kVA with the star connections. Now again comes to the second cable. Just double click on it. Info, let's change the conductor to again 2 conductors per phase. Give here the length, the conductor again I am assigning here 20 in meters. Okay, this is the library open. So or this one is okay, just press here OK and this appears. अगर तुम इसको change करना चाहते हो तो this one is the copper cable. Okay, and it's a service in and rest of the things are okay now. Just press here OK. And last, this one is our load, that is the induction machine motor. Come to the nameplate. So assign here HP. Let's assign here 300 horsepower. And accordingly, the rest of the values will assign automatically. And yes, there is 262 kVA and 3 kV. Okay, the power factor is assigned. So rest of the things are okay. Let's see, impedance values are there. Loading, model, inertia, and just press OK. Okay, अभी हमें इतना ही चाहिए. So this one be our single line diagram. Okay, and now we have to apply the load flow analysis on it.